Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add discount in Zoho Invoice just like these ones right here. Now, before we actually go over how to do that in the actual invoice, you need to turn on the discount feature. So what you need to do once you're logged into your dashboard, come to the top right, click on this gear cog to access your settings. Then here, under preferences, go ahead and click on general. Just go ahead and scroll down until you see this. Do you give discounts? So you're probably going to be toggled for I don't give discounts. This is the default. What you need to choose is either at line item level or transactional level. So line item level is, for example, you're giving a discount per item. Okay, so let's say this is at a rate of 120 pounds. You'd give a discount on this. And this one is transaction level. Transaction level is at the subtotal level. Okay, so whatever the total is, you'll give a discount on that. So this is what I've selected. I'll go ahead and save this. Okay, make sure it is saved. You see this pop up. Preferences have been saved. Now we can go ahead and close our settings and create an invoice. If you don't know how to create an invoice, you come to the left-hand panel, click on sales, click on invoices, and then just go ahead and click on new. And I'll show you how to actually add the invoice. So let me just go ahead and select a customer. We'll leave the invoice number, date like that. Now I'll come here and select item. So let's say a standing desk pro. Okay. How many pieces? Let's do 15 pieces. So that comes out to 3,750 pounds. Now there's two ways to give discounts. You can give it on a percentage basis. So let's say 10%. Okay. This is what it comes down to, 375 pounds. Or what you can do is change this to a flat discount. Okay. So I'll change this to pounds. So let's say I want to give a 50-pound discount. As you can see, minus 50, and then you get your total. And then you can, of course, go ahead and save this and then view this as a PDF. Okay, and there you go. Our discounts have been applied. And it's really that easy and simple.